our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव मैथ डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, एंड ये आपकी क्लास थर्ड है. ऑलरेडी हम क्लास सेकेंड कर चुके हैं, जिसमें हमने सबसे पहला टॉपिक जो कि अरिथमेटिक एबिलिटी है, जो कि आपका ऑपरेशंस ऑन नंबर्स वी हैड स्टार्टेड विद, एंड वी हैड इवन दो डन मैनी क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. And in the same references we'll today continue with arithmetic ability, which is the first topic, which is on operations on number. Before starting with this, because it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. लास्ट टू क्लासेस में हमने जो डिस्कस किया था वो नंबर्स डिस्कस किया था. नंबर्स जो वर्ड में कैसे करते हैं, वर्ड से न्यूमेरल्स में कैसे करते हैं. इवन दो वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स वी हैड डिस्कस्ड, which is your natural numbers, whole number, integers, as well as even odd number, prime number, co-prime number, and then of course we had done about it the test for the number that to be a prime, and after that composite number, and then we'll go ahead with the test of divisibility, and where we had discussed about divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 9, divisibility by 4 as well, divisibility by 8, divisibility by 11, and that what we had discussed, and divisibility by 10, divisibility by 5 as well, and then we had solved many questions, and then now we'll continue the question as well. अभी तक के इससे पहले जो लास्ट क्लास में किया था वो हम कर रहे थे कि क्वेश्चन दे रहे थे, you have to find the solution, but now in this in the last class we had done 10 of the questions that we are dealing with the MCQs type question, and I will be giving you just a type of an options, and as well as you have to solve it out as well. So let's go ahead with the question here. So the 61 question of the 62 question of the session, क्योंकि 61 questions हम कर चुके हैं, तो 62 of the session question क्या है, like 8597 minus, we have a question mark, that what we have to find out, is equals to 7429 minus 4358. For this particular question you have your options as follows, that is the option A is 5426, B is 5706, C is 5526, and D is 5476, and E is none of these. So among these questions you have to answer it out as well. So we'll go ahead here, and then we'll solve it out one by one. So as you can see, that is 7429 minus 4358. So we'll go ahead with this as well. 7429 and 4358, will minus it out as well. So when we'll be minusing out, you can just get to know 9 में 4 gya is your that is we have in the same cases that we have 9 में 8 gya is your 1, and then we have a 2, so we will take as 12. 12 में 5 gya 7, and 3 में 3 gya is 0 because we had taken a carry. 7 में 4 gya is 3, so the answer we'll get is your 3071. अब इसी को हम दूसरे फॉर्म में कैसे कर सकते हैं, like when we are solving it out as well. So let 8597, this number would be the x minus x equals to, इसको माइनस करने पे हमें क्या मिला है, 3071. अब ये माइनस में है तो ये इधर आएगा, और ये प्लस में इधर जाएगा, तो ये माइनस में इधर आएगा तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस में है इधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. इट विल बी 8597 minus 3071 is equals to x. Okay, so when we'll solve it out, we'll just go ahead with 8597 here. 8597 minus 3071, so that in the same cases 7 में 1 gya is your 6, and then 9 में 7 gya is your 2, 5 में 0 gya is 5, 8 में 3 gya is 5. So the answer would be, you'll get is your 5526. In that same cases, in a 5526, that will be your right answer here. So the value of x is equals to, that is your 5526. This will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll go ahead with a 63rd question of the session, that what we have here. And in the 63rd question, the question is 3251 plus 587, that is your 3251 plus 587 plus 369 minus question mark, this is what we have to find out, equals to 3007 here. So the option for this we have is your 1250, 1300, 1375, 1200, and none of these. In the same cases, this has been asked in the bank PO question paper, so this is also an important paper respect to the competition wise here. We'll solve it out, and let's go ahead with the solution as well. So as you can see here, that is, we have a 3251, we have 587, and we have a 369 as well. So we'll add in on all, and then we'll solve it out as well. So we will be having is your 3251, 587, and 369. So we'll add in on each, and here that is, we'll get as what we had solved, 7 plus 1 8, and 8 plus 9 is your 17. 7 you have 1 carry, then you have 8 plus 1 9, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 0 you have 2 carry, and that is 5 plus 4 9, 10 11 12, that is 12, and then 2 you have 1 carry, and 3 plus 1, that is your 4. So answer will be 5207. So the 4207, so 4207 and minus x equals to the number we have itself, and that is your 3007. Then what we'll do is your x equals to 4207. This will go here as plus, this will go here as minus, which is 3007, and that we'll get, we'll do it that 7 minus 7 is your 0, 0 is 0 0, and then 2 minus 0 is 2, and of course 4 minus 2 is 1. So it will be your 1200. So the x will be your 1200. Let's go ahead with other question, and that what we have, even though, which is your the another question is your 64th question of the session. 4300731 minus question mark, this we have to find out, 2535618. So here we have, this has been very important question because this has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and the options for this we have is your 1865113, 1775123, 1765113, and 1675123. So in the E is your none of these here. So in these questions, that what we have to solve it out, and even though which we have to be considered very carefully. And so let 4300731 minus this unknown number would be let x as well, that is 2535618. Then x is minus, will let here come inside to the right hand side, and this is a plus number, it will go here and it will be becoming minus sign. So that is 4300731 minus 2535618. When we'll subtract that, we'll do ahead here, 4300731, and then we'll minus 25 and 35618. So here 11 में 8 क्या is your 3, then of course your 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 में 6 क्या is 1, and 0 में 5 जाएगा नहीं, तो we haven't take as carry, and so it will take here from here only, that is, it will become 3, it will become 13, but it will go here to 12, this is 9, and this is 10. So 10 में 5 क्या is your 5, and of course that 9 में we will be having 9 में 3 क्या is 6, and 12 में 5 क्या we will get 7, and 3 में 2 क्या 1. So the answer is 1765113. So x की value होगी 1765113. This will be the right answer for this question here. Now we will go ahead with another question, and that what we have, and as I told you about it, these all are questions that are very important. I will talk about 65th question of the session, and the questions itself we have, this is in question mark, we have to find out minus 19657 minus 33994 equals to 999 and 9 as well. So in this we have an option 63650, 53760, 59640 and 61560 as well, and the A is your none of these as well. So in the same cases we'll solve it out ahead, and that we have let x minus 53 what we have. So first we'll solve it out and then we'll go ahead, so that is very important here. So 19657 and that minus 33994. So and 7 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 1, and because it will take as that what we talk about it, and that is 7 minus 4 is 3 here, so that it will become here, because this is minus and this is minus as well, so that minus and minus will become plus in the same manner, and in the respective manner. Then what we will do it will be becoming to add in on, and then will be added on here, so that will become the another one as well. So in the same aspect, minus यहाँ पे भी है और minus यहाँ पे भी, so minus minus become plus. 7 4 plus 1 11, that is 1 carry. 9 plus 10, and then 10 plus 9, so 9 plus 1 10 and plus 5, so that is 15. 5 यहाँ 1 carry, and 6 9 plus 1 10 and 16, so 6 carry, 6 here and 1 carry, and then we'll have 9 plus 1 10 equals 13, so 3 यहाँ 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 8 1 5, so that we have 5 3 6 1 5 3 6 5 1. That is we'll add in on, and then after that what we'll get is your 999, so that is 999 and 9, so 4 times 9 here as well. So in the same respective manner, now we'll go ahead. This is a minus sign, and this will go from here to here to become as plus, and this is in plus only, so we'll not move, let that move. So x equals to 999 and 9 minus 53651. So when we'll solve it out as well, so as you can as you know this about it, and when we further solve it, so as you can see that 53651 है, सो अगर हम इस तरह से करते हैं उसको 53650 प्लस 1, तो भी वो रहेगा, सेम ही रहेगा, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन हियर. 999 and 9 minus 53651 plus 1, so that it will become like this. And after that what we will be doing is your 999 that is, and this is minus here, so it will become like plus when we are dealing with this, and that it will be solving as out. So here it is minus, so it will go outside this is plus, it will become plus. So now we'll go ahead. 9999 इसको हम 1 से जोड़ देंगे तो we'll get 1000 and 0. so इसको बनाने के लिए हमने ये प्लस 1 को सेपरेट किया था, प्लस जो हमारा 5360 वाला है वही रहेगा, plus 56530, so that it will be. And now it is easy to solve it out as well. So 0 plus 0 is your 0, and 3 plus 0 is your 3, 5 plus 0 is your 5, 6 plus 0 is your 6, and 5 plus 1 is your 6, so that is 63650. So 5 plus that is 63650 here, that will be the right answer for this question as well. So now we will go ahead and that to solve it out as well, and what we will be getting is as well. So in this 53651 here, 53651 here, and 53651 here, so 5 and 3 is 6, that is your we have, and 3650, that will be the right answer. Okay, so you have to see the calculations part as well. So this will be the right answer for this question here, and as you have go ahead, you have to solve it like that only. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your 66th question of the session, and the question we have is your 3 plus 33 plus 33 333 plus 3.33 equals to what? The options you will get here is your 326.3 and 372.33 for 702.33, 702, or none of these. So among these particular questions you have to solve it out like that. So in the same case, we will be going ahead to solve it out, and in respect towards manner, we'll just go ahead simple addition. 3 है, फिर 33 है, फिर आपका 333 है, फिर उसके बाद आपका 3.33 है. So we'll solve it out. तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो ये that is 33 and point 3, 6, 9 and 12. तो यहाँ 1 carry, 3, 6 and plus 1, 7, and then there's 3 here. So what we'll get? 372.33. So the answer would be your 372.33. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your 67th question of the session here, and that what we have, which is your 9 3 by 4 plus 7 2 by 17 plus minus 2 minus 9 1 upon 15 equals to a question mark. And in the same cases we have an options as well, which is 7 and 17 upon 1020, 9 817 upon 1020, 9 719 upon 1020, and 7 that is 817 upon 1020. It is in the mixed fractions, which is very important because this has been asked in the bank PO question paper as well. So here in the respective manner we will solve it out as well. So in the same case, the question that the given sum, we will solve it out. The given sum we have 9 plus 3 upon 4 plus 7 plus 2 upon 17 minus 9 plus 1 upon 15. Okay, so this will be here. When we'll take it the whole number at one side, so that it will become 9 plus 7 minus 9 plus, so we'll take a fraction at one side, that is 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 17 minus 1 upon 15. And in the same cases we'll do ahead with solution as well. So when we'll take it out as an LCM, so what it will be getting is we'll have to find out 15, 7 and 4 thus as fraction. That will take an LCM, so we'll get 1020 here, and that is your 765 plus 120, and that is minus 68. And then we'll solve it out. This is 7 only. 765 plus 120, that is your that it will become 500, and then 6 plus 2 is your 8, and 7 plus 1 is 9. So 980, and 980 minus 668, we will get your 870 upon 1020 here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your the another one, and that is your 68th question of the session here. So in the same case we'll be having another question, that is the question we have minus 84 into 29 plus 365 is equals to the question mark here. The options we have is your 2436, 2808, minus 2808, and minus 2071. This is also an important question because this has also been asked in the bank PO question paper, which is also an important one in respect towards the competition here. So let's go ahead with the solution, that what we have to find it out as well. And in the same case, where we have a given expression that variable, that is 84 into ये 29 को हम 30 minus 1 लिख सकते हैं, and plus 365, and that what we have to find out. And we'll go ahead further. minus sign को हमने बाहर ले लिया है, so that all minus will come up as plus. So when 84 multiplied by 30, so it will become 84 multiplied 30, and 84 जब 84 से multiply होगा, 1 से multiply होगा, it will become plus 84 because हमने minus sign outside ले लिया है, and plus 365. And then after that we'll solve it out. 84 30s is your 2520, and I will let you know because बहुत सारे बच्चे मैथ्स में इतना strong नहीं होंगे. For them I will be making a solution here itself at 430. So 0 is 0 0, and then 2 4s are 8, and then 2 8s are 16, so that is 1680. So sorry, 2520. In the same case, when we'll solve it out more हुआ, and that is 3, sorry, 3 4s are 12, 2 यहाँ 1 carry, and 8 2 16 24 plus 125, so that is 2520. So the answer is your 2520 here, and plus we'll add in on 365 and 84 here. So when we'll add in on 365 and 84, that one what we'll get is your 365 and 84 को हम ऐड करेंगे. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 6 plus 8 is your that is 14. 4 यहाँ 1 carry, and 6 plus 3 9 8 plus 10, so that it will become here. But in the same cases, when we are going to add it out 365, so here we had added on 365 or 84, ये कुछ भी नहीं है. So that is 365 or 84, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer we'll get is your 449. So that is your 449. So when we'll this is the minus sign, so that is your minus 2520 plus minus 449. So plus minus minus hota hai, we will be having to subtract this. So we'll go ahead with subtraction, and that is minus 2520 and 449. So that 10 minus 9 we have will get 1 here, and then we have your the 2, and that 2 will not 11 minus 4 is 7, and then we have 5 minus 4, so 4 minus 4 is 0, and 2 here. So we'll get as an answer that is 2071 with minus sign. That will be having a larger one here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and that is another one, which is the 69th question of the session as well. So 69th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it here, and that even though we have to solve it out as well. So the question we have is your 3 5 4 2 3 plus that is 7164 plus 41720 minus 317 multiply 89 will give here. So the options for this we have is a 28213, 84307, 5609 4, and 54094 as well, and none of these as well. So we'll do a solution for this, and that we have. So first of all, we'll solve it out, plus and then plus, so we'll add in on all, which is 3 5 4 2 3 7164 41720. We'll add in on. 4 plus 3 is your 7, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and plus 2 is that is 10. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7, that is 13, 1 carry. Then 7 plus 5 plus 1, that is 8, plus 9 plus 5, that is 4 and 1 carry, and 3 plus 1 4, and 4 plus 4, that is 8. So 8 will get. After this we had added on all, but here we have 317, and which is your 317 and multiplied by your the 84 here, and 317 is which is multiplied by 89. So that what we have to solve it out a respective manner, and then we'll go ahead as well. So where in among this we'll go ahead first with the steps as well, so that you will be get to know that what we had solved it out. 317 multiply 89, what we had write it down here, is equals to what we'll get, 317 multiply 90 minus 1. So we can write it down, 99 90 minus 1, and that is equals to 317 into 90 minus 317, which is equals to what we had find out here itself, and that 8420, then we'll multiply, and then we'll minus it out as well. So with it in the same cases, and that what will get it out as well, that is 213, and then we'll minus it out, and we'll find it out as an answer as well. So we'll go ahead, as you can see here, that it will be multiply, and then it will be minus it out. So let's go ahead to do that. 317 multiplied by 90, 0 0 0, then we have cross 9 7, that we have is your 63, 3 carry, 6 carry, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 यहाँ 1 carry, and 9, 18, 27 plus your we have 28. So that is 0, 3, and then we have here itself, that is your we have here it is 9, 7, 20, 63, and then that 9 was a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 5. Okay, so this 3, 5 and 2, so we will get 2, 5, 3, 0. In 2, 5, 3, 0 we will be minusing out is your that another one, and then that when we'll multiply minus it out with 317 here. So what we'll get here, because this is minus and this is minus, so what we'll get as well, and that is your 28530 minus 317. So when we subtract this, so what we'll get is your that is another one, and with respect towards it we'll go ahead and we'll minus it out as well, which is 28530 minus 317. So in this, that 10 my 7 here is your 3, and of course that 2 minus 1 is 1, and then of course we have 5 that we have, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and the 8 itself and the 2 itself. So 28,213. 28,213. Now with this, when 84307 will subtract this number with this, and then we'll find out the answer as well. So here 84307 minus 28213, and that will get 615. So this will be the answer here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and that is another one, that what we have to go through with that, which is your the 19th question of the session as well, and which is even though very important for this as well. So let's go ahead, and that is the 19th question here. The 70th question of the session we have here, that we have to talk about it, and which is here in respect towards it, that is to find out as well, and which is even though very important for respect towards these particular questions as well. So we'll have 9548 plus 7314 equals to 8362, and plus question mark, what we have to find out as well, which is your that question is your 70th question of the session, and that is in the same cases we'll be going ahead here. So in this, as you can see, that is we'll be having 9548, and this is your plus, so we'll add it on to 9548 plus that is 7314, we'll be adding it out, and then when we'll be adding it out is 84 plus that 12, and then 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 and 6, so we'll have 6, and that is your 5 plus 3, which is your 8, and 9 plus 17 we have your 16. So 16862 is here. So 16826 is equals to, अब 832 है यहाँ पे, और प्लस ये जो नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट इज़ x, so that is equals to 8362 and plus x, so we'll find out at x equals to 16862 minus 8362, and that is equals to, we'll go ahead with the subtraction, and then we'll get it out as well, that is your 8500, because 2 0 0 this 0, 8 में 2 गया, that will be 8 में 3 गया, it will be 5, and then 16 में 8 गया is your 8. So that will be the right answer for this question. Let's go ahead with 71th question of the session, that what we have to discuss here, and which is the another question, and that to solve it out as well. And in the respective manner, if I'm talking about each and every question here, which is even though very different, and each question is different from one another, so you have to practice more to solve it out in a simple manner as well. So that is very important. So let's go ahead. Question mark plus 3699 plus 1985 minus 2047 is equals to 31111 here. So in the same case, we'll go ahead. His the options we'll get is your 34,748, 27,474, 30,154, and 27,574, and then among these. So we will be having to solve it out these question as well, and that we have the number that we don't know is, you let x here, x plus 3699 plus 1985 minus 2047 is equals to 31111 here. And for that, x plus 3699 plus 1985 equals to 3111 and 1 plus 2047 as well. We are in the same case, and then what we'll do it is, we'll do it as a 3318, that what we will go ahead, and after that we'll minus it out as well. So first we'll add in on, we'll do add in on here, that is x plus 5684. How it is, that is 9 plus 15, that is your 44 यहाँ 1 carry, and that is your the another one we have 9 plus 1 8 that you get here. So that is your which is 5684, and that is equals to that we'll add in on 2, and that will get 33158. So 33158 से हम 56984 को minus कर देंगे, which is your 33158, and that will be minus by 5684. So it will be 8 by 4 गया is your 4, 5 में जाएगा नहीं 8, तो फिर take 15 में 8 गया 7, and 10 में 6 क्या is your 4, and of course 13 में 12 में 5 क्या is your that will be 7, and the other one 3 is become 2, so that is your the 2 here. So that will be the right answer. So when we are going to solve it out, we have to be very careful about while we solving out as well. So it will get here, and that is equals to 27474. That will be the right answer for this question. Now we'll get ahead with other one, and that is the another question, and that is your 73rd question of the session. Sorry, 72th question of the session. And the question we have, which is your the another one as well, and in the same references than what we had gone through with that. And eventually when we are solving all these type of a question, we have to be very considerate about it, so that it will be let you know that how much questions you had done, and how you have to improve your questions, and how you improve your solutions as well. So let's go ahead here. So here we'll go ahead, that is your 4,500 multiplied by question mark here, and that it will be in the same cases, that is equals to 3375, and which is very important because it has been asked in the bank question paper as well. In the same references towards it, we'll go ahead with the solution, and that we have in the terms which is your 4500 multiply x equals to 335 and 3375. So in the same case it is multiplied, so we'll go ahead with the division, and that is your x equals to 3375 upon 4500, and when we'll cancel it out here, and that is your 75, and this is with 100 here. So with the same case we had cancelled it out by 45 table. So when we cancel it out further, then we will be getting is your 3 by 4 here. And as according to this, अगर ये method डायरेक्ट आपको डिविजन नहीं आता है, so you can do division here, which is your 45 and this is 3375. In this 45 sevens are 315, and then we'll subtract it out to 22, and then we can take as 5 here, and 45 fives is your 225, and then we'll cancel out, we'll get cancellation, and that will be the right here. So that is 45 75 is your 3375 here. We'll go ahead with other question, and that is the another one which what we have to discuss about it. The another question is your 1400 into x that equals to 1050. Then you have to find out the value of x here. So let's go ahead for that as well. The 73rd question of the session here. The question is, if 1400 multiplied x is gives 1050 here, so then you have to find out the value of x. So for that we have an options as well, that is 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 as well. In the same references, what we will go ahead, which is 1400 that is multiplied by x equals to 1050. So x equals to 1050 upon that is your 1400, and we'll cancel out by 1 0 0, and that is your will complete it, and that is you cancelled by 3, and this is 4. So that is your 3 by 4. Now we'll go ahead with other one, and that what we have to discuss is your the another question, which is your 74th question of the session here. So 74th question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. In the same cases, what we will we have to find it out is your 1400 that what even though we had find it out for this for the 1400, so we will be going ahead with other question, which is your thousands cube, that is 1000 power 9 divided by 10 power 24. You have to find out the answer here. So we'll get your 1000 power 9 divided by 10 power 24 equals to, we have to find out this, which is very important because this has been asked in the bank view question paper as well. And the options we have is your 10,000, 1000, 100 or 10. That's what we have to find out. So let's go ahead with the question and the solution as well. So here we have the solution. 1000 power 9 upon 10 power 24. In this, when we'll open it out, we can say that 10 to power 3, and then it is of 9 upon 10 to power 24. Solve it out. 9 3s are 27, so 10 power 27 upon 10 power 24. Then 10 power, because ये नीचे है, so the power goes and subtracted, so 20 minus 27 minus 24. What will get? 10 power 3. The answer will be 1000. Okay, so how you have to solve it out these questions here. दिखने में थोड़ा difficult लगता है, but when you are going ahead with the practice, so you will find each and every questions in a little bit easy way. So next we'll go ahead with 75th question of the session, and that we have 88 divided by 8 and divided by 4, which is equals to, you have to find out the answer. So let's go ahead with the question. 8 divided by 8 divided by 4. and you have to feed the answer here. The options we have is your 4494, 561.75, 2247, and 280.875, which is also being asked in the bank PO question. So let's go ahead with the question here and the solution as well, which is the 24th question of the session. So here in this, what we'll do it is 8988, that is divided by 8 here, so 1 upon changes by multiplier, that is 1 upon 8, and then 1 upon 4 as same. For this, when we'll multiply it here and we'll cancel it out as well. So what we'll go ahead is we'll cancel it out here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8 as well, and then 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 and 4 twos are 8, as well as then we'll be having your the one, that is your 4, that is your 16, 4 4s are 16, and 28. So that will be the right answer. In the same cases, we'll go ahead, and that is 2247 upon 8, and that when we'll solve it out here, then we'll get to 80.875. That will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, that what we have to solve it out here as well. So in the same cases, you have to be considered about it, and which is another question, and that is your the 76th question of the session as well. So in the same case, the question if I'm talking about here, and that we have is just 666 divided by 6 divided by 3, and we'll have to find out this question. As I told you, this has been asked in the bank PO as well, and these type of a question have been asked many times in examination paper, which is options we have 37, 333, 111, and 84 as well. So here you have to answer it out accordingly, and here the solution for this we have, which is your 666 multiply 1 upon 6 multiplied 1 upon 3. So what it will be, 6 की टेबल से करते हैं 6, that is your 6 1 the 6, 6 1 the 6, and 6 1 the 6. Okay, so after that we'll divide it out as well. So we'll 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9, bacha 2, and 3 7s are 21. So the answer will be the 37. So the 37 will be the right answer for this question. Let's go ahead with other one, and that is the another one question, and that we have is your, which is your 77th question of the session. The question is 800 divided by 64 multiply 1296 divided by 36 here, and that we'll have to find out the solution. And even though this has also been asked in the bank PO question paper, the options we have 420, 460, 500, 540, and none of these. So in the same cases, we have a solution, that what we have to solve it out as well, which is your 800 divided by 64, what it mentioned, multiplied 1000, that is 96 divided by 3, and that is we have to find out the equal here. So we'll cancel it out as well. So in this 6 6 are 36, and 6 2s are 12, and 6 1s are 6, which are 9, 6 6 are 36 as well. In the same case here, we'll go ahead, and that is your we'll have 4, this is 50. Now we will be cancelling out at the same as well. So it will be 4 1s are 4, and 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and we have 1 here, 4 4s are 16, so 54. Then we'll cancel it out here, that is 6 1s are 6, and 6 9s are that is 36. So 9 50, and denominator में कुछ भी नहीं बचा. So 9 and 50s are, as 5 9s are 45, and 450. The answer will be your 450 here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your that is your the another one, which is your 78th question of the session, and that what we have to even to discuss about it. In this the question that what we have is, which is your 12 power 3 multiply 6 power 4 divided by 432, and that is equals to, and this also has been asked in the bank PO question paper, so that is also an important one. So here the options we have 5184, 5060, 5148, 5084. In the same case, we'll go ahead, and that what we have to in this find out the solution as well, where we go ahead, and that is 12 power 3 into 6 power 4 upon 432. So that it will be written in the form of which will be 6 power 4 and 432, which is further divided as, and that will break it out as well, which is your 12 power 3 into 6 power 4 upon 12 into and then 6 power 2. So that will break it out here, and for that we have 12 power 2, because here 3 इधर 1 3 ये ऊपर जाएगा power minus 1, 3 minus 1 that is 2, and multiply 6 power 2, because 6 power 4 minus 6 power 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, so that is will get here. And after that 12 6 that is your power, because power is same, so we'll just do it, and still 6 are 72 power 2, and 72 2 times when we'll multiply it will give you 5184 here as an answer. Now we will go ahead with further one, and that is a further question, which is your 79th question of the session, and that what we have to discuss about it as well. So in the same case we will be having the other question, that is your 79 question. So the 79 question to be are as follows, which is your 35 plus 15 multiply 1.5 equals to question mark. The options for this we have 75, 51.5, 57.5 and 5.25 as well, as this is also an important one because this has been asked in the bank PO question paper as well. So let's go ahead with solution, and that what we have here, and that is the given expressions we have is 35 plus 15 multiply, and that 1.5 is about 3 by 2, that is equals to 35 plus, when we multiply 15 to it will go ahead 15 threes are, and that is 15 threes are 45 upon 2, that is equals to, we'll take an LCM as well, and then we'll do it, otherwise we can probably cancel it out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4 as well, 1 बचा, point लगाएंगे, एक 0 बढ़ाएंगे, 2 5 10, 22.5 will get here. So when we'll add 20 that is 35 plus 22.5, we will get 57.5 here as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with further question, and that what we have to solve it out as well, and that is your 80th question of the session, which is we have the 80th question of the session is to be as follows, which is 5358 multiply 51, which will give a question mark, and this has been very important because this has been asked in the RBI examination paper. We have an option that is your 273258, 273268, 273348 and 273358 as well. So here we have a solution as well, that is 53 53 58 into 51. We have 5358 multiply 50 plus 1, and that is your, we have further 5358 multiply 50 plus 5358 into 1. Now that will be, when we multiply 5358 into 50, we'll get 267,900 plus 53158, that will multiply, so 5358, and then we'll add in on 2, so you can see here that is 267,900, that has been added as 5358. So 538, that is your 8, then 5, 2, 3, 7 and 2 here. So the answer we'll get is your 273258. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your 81st question of the session. And that we have, which is your 587 multiply 989 equals to the question mark, that what we have to solve it out. And here in this, that is options we have 586 413, 587 523, 614 823 and 61573 5173. So that is another question, and let's go ahead with this as well. 587 into 999, get 587 into 999 is your 1000 minus 1, and in the same concept that will be like 587 multiply 1000, 587 जब 1000 से multiply होगा, and then after that multiply 587 into 1. So when 587 multiply 1000, so the answer will get 587 and 3 zeros, because it will multiply with 1000 here, and then after that 587 multiply 1, so it will give you 587 only, and that it when we will subtract this, we will get 586413. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and that is your 82nd question of the session. And that we have, which is 3897 into 999 equals to the question mark, what we have to solve it here. The options we have 3883203, 3893103, 3639403 and 3791203. So here in the same cases, the 31 question we have to find out, and that we have 3897 into 999 equals to 3897 into 1000 minus 1. So when we solve it out, 587 into 1000 into 587 into 1. So when it will get 587000 minus 587. So when we'll solve it out, we will have to solve it out 3897, that we have 3897 multiplied by 1000 minus 1, and then we have 3897 of it. 3897 97 multiply 1000 minus 3897 multiply 1, and that is multiplied here. So 3897 100,000 here minus 3897, which will give, when we subtract it out, 3897,000 and 3897 as well, 013983. So that will get as answer 3893,103 here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your 83rd question of the session. So here we have, which is what we have to discuss here, and that is your another one, 72519 into 9999, that is equals to, we have to find out the solution. The option we have 725117481, 67421741, 68512641 and 69621741. So here with this we'll have a solution here as well, and that is what we have here, and that is to be as follows. 999 and 9, so that is equals to, with the same concept, that is 75, that is 72519 into, that is your 10,000 minus 1, it will give 72519 into 10,000 minus 72519 into 1. So when we'll go ahead, 72519 minus 72519, that is equals to, we'll solve it out as well, that is 72519 with 72519, and that is equals to 725117481, and that will get the answer here. The answer will be having 725117481. Now we'll go ahead with other question that what we have here, which is the another one, and that is the another question, which is 84th question of the session. So now with this we'll solve it out the another one, and that is in the reference towards it, which is your 205956 multiply 987 equals to the question mark here. The option A is your 1936372, B is 2029272, 3 is that is 1896172, and the D is 1923472 as well. So we are in the same cases that what we have to find it out as well, and that the solution that we get here is in the form that is to be as follows here, which is 2056 into 987 equals to 2056 into 1000 minus 13, that is 2056 into 1000 minus 2056, that into 13, and for that we'll go ahead with solution, that is 2056,000 minus 26728, and then when we'll subtract it out, 2056,000, that is by 26728. So here that will get 2729202. So that will be the right answer, and that will get you as 2029272 here. That will be the right answer for this question. Now we'll go ahead 85th question of the session, even though that is also an important one here. 85th question of the session that we have here, and that is your 1904 into 1904. We'll have to find it out, and the options we have 3654316, 3632646, 3625216, and 3623436 as well. So here with this solution, that what we have to find out is your 1904 into 1904 equals to 1904 का whole square, which is equals to 1900 plus 4 का square. So a plus b का square, as I told you about, so that will open as a square plus b square plus 2 into a and b. So what we'll get when we multiply, that is 19 square as your 19, that is your 361. So 361 and 4 zeros plus 4 4s are 16 and plus 15200. When we further solve it out, it will get 36,10016 plus 15200 equals to 362516 here. That will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with other one, that is the another question that what we have to talk about it, and now we will end up here, and this is the last question of the session. I will continue in the next coming class, and that is the another question that what we have to talk about it here, and that is your the another question. And in the quantitative aptitude we had covered up the many questions here. In the quantitative aptitude we have here discussed the aptitude, that is your arithmetic ability, and here that is we will discuss the numbers. We had started with this, and here we had covered up the 86th question of the session as well. The numbers, SCF and LCMs of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, squares and roots, cube root, average, problems on numbers, problems on ages, hurdles and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance, problem on trains, boats and stream, allegations and mixture, or simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skill, calendars, clocks, stocks and stocks and shares, that permutations and combination, probability, true discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man out, and series. In section 2 we'll discuss data interpretation, which is tabulations, bar graph, pie charts, line graph as well. So here we'll end up with this. So first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we'll go ahead and that what we have to discuss as well. In the same cases we can do some of the questions here, as we have time that is not exceeded here. So yes, we can go ahead with 86th question of the session, and that is we have as well, which is your the another one, and that is which is 1397 into 1397, that is equals to the question mark. Here we have an option, it is 1951609, second is 1981709, 1836, that is 2619, and the D is 2031719 as well. So in the same cases where we have to solve it out here, and that we will have to gone through with that as well with the solution, and that will get it, and that is your 1397 and multiply 1397, which is equals to 1397 square, and which is equals to here, that is 1400 minus 3 square. So we'll do it a minus b whole square here, which is your a square plus 3 square minus 2 into 1400 into 3. So here we have 1960000 plus 9 minus 8400. So in this we'll get 1960009 minus 8400, and that is equals to here, which is 1951609. You can go ahead with the solution as well, that is we can minus it out, 1960009 by 8400, and that is will minus it out, that is 9061591 here. That will be the right answer as what we had done here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and that is also an important one, which is the another question as your that is 87th question of the session here. So in this same cases we'll have 107 into 107 plus 93 into 93 here, and that what we have to find out as well. And the options we have 19578, 19418, 20098 and 21908 as well. So that is the 36th question of the session, and which is that what we'll solve it out for the 107 into 107 plus 93 plus 93, and that is equals to 107 square plus 93 square equals to 100 plus 7, that is your whole square, and that is plus 100 minus 7 square. So we'll get 2 into 100 square plus 7 square equals to 2 into, that is your 100 and 0 plus 49. So here that will get 2 into 10049 and minus 20098. इसमें हमने a प्लस बी और a प्लस बी का स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस बी का स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगाया है. जिन बच्चों को नहीं पता है वो उनके लिए मैं लिख देती हूँ a प्लस बी का स्क्वायर प्लस a minus b का square, which is equals to 2a square plus b square. This is the formula. If you don't know, you can just write it down as well. Now we'll go ahead with other one, which is your 88th question of the session here. So in the 88th question of the session, that what we have to solve it out as well, which is your 217 into 217 plus 183 into 183, and that is equals to that what we have to find out as well. And in the same cases the options we have that is 79698, 80578, 80698 and 81268, and this has been asked in hotel management question paper as well, which is also an important one as well. So in the same cases we'll go ahead here, and that is 2217 square plus 183 square equals to 200 plus 17 square plus 200 minus 17 square. So here in this, what we'll use the same formula which we had applied here, and the formula is itself a plus b square plus a minus b square, and that is equals to 2a square plus b square. That is the formula here that will apply as well here in the same cases. So yes, we'll go ahead to a square 200 square, and that is your plus, that is your 200, and plus that is another one which is 17 square. So that will go ahead, we'll further solve it out. 240,000 plus 289 equals to 2 into, when we'll go ahead with the solution, then we'll multiply 2 into 4,000, that is your 4,288 here, that is your 289 here, and then when we multiply I will get 80578. That will be the right answer. You can go through with the solution and you can multiply as well. I hope you are able to multiply at least. Now we'll go ahead with other question, and which is your 89th question of the session here. In the 89th question, that what we have to talk about it, which is your 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94, which is equals to, we have to find out, this is your RRB examination paper. The options we have is your 2400, 2000, 1904 and 1906 as well. So in the 38 we'll talk about it. This is your the question which is 89th question of the session here, and that what will solve it out, 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94, and that is equals to 106 square minus 94 square, and that is equals to 106 plus 94, 106 minus 94. The formula we did it here is your a minus b square, which is a square, that is minus b square, and that is equals to a plus b and a minus b as well. So we are in the same cases that what we talk about it, and which is your the another one, and that what we have to implement as well, which is 200 into 12, and that is your answer would be your, that is 2400. That is the another answer. Let's go ahead with other question, which is your the next question, and that is your 90th question of the session as well. So we'll go ahead with 90th question of the session here, and that is your 8796 into 223, that is your into 223 here, and which is your the another one, and in the same cases 8796 into 223 plus 8796 into 77 equals to the question mark. This is what we have to solve it out. The options we have here, 2736900, 2638800, 2658580, 2718740. So in the same cases we'll solve it out as well, and that is here it goes. 8796 into 223 plus 8796 into 77, which is equals to 8796 into 223 plus 77 by distributive law. That is equals to 8796 into 300, and which will get 2638800 here. Now we will go ahead with other question, and which is your the 91st question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. And in the case of the 91st question of the session, and that we have is your 287 into 287 plus 269 into 269 minus 2 into 287 into 269, that is equals to, that what we have to find it out. The options we have is your 534, 446, 354 and 324. So here in this we will be going ahead with the solution, and that is the given expression is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here that is a equals to 287, b equals to 269. So we'll go ahead with a minus b square, where we have 287a minus 269b square, and that is equals to, and when 89 is your 18, that will minus it out, and we'll find out 18 square here, and that is your 324 when you will minus it out as well. Now we will go ahead and further we will solve it out as well, and in the same case we'll get 287 by 269 minus currently we'll get 18, and the whole square it is, we will have square, 18 square is 324. That will be the right answer for this question. Let's go ahead with other one, which is your 92th question of the session here. So let's go ahead, and that we have the question itself we have is your 476 plus 424 square minus 4 into 476 into 424, and that is we have an option A 2906, 3116, 2704, 2904, none of these. This is very important question. Now we'll go ahead with the solution as well. So here we'll go ahead, which is it is in the form of a plus b plus square minus 4ab, where a equals to 476, b equals to 424. So we'll get a minus b square, and that is 476 minus 424 square, and when we'll minus it out, we'll get 52 square, and when we'll solve it out 52 square further, then we'll get 2704 as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another question, but that will take a time, as if it is not long we will do it that, and that is okay, that is not long as much. So 93 question of the session, which is 112 into 5 power 4 equals to the question mark here, and that is the another question we'll talk about it as well. And here the options we will get 67,000, 70,000, 76,500 and 7720, that is 77,200. This is very important because this has been asked in the MBA examination, so that is also an important question here. Now we'll go ahead with solution as well. So in the same cases we can say that 102 multiply 5 power 4 square, so that is I will go ahead with 112 into 10 upon 2 power 4 into that is equals to 112 into 10 power 2 upon 2 power 4, which is equals to 112, that is 1 2 3 4 4 is 4 power 112 and 4, and 2 to the power 4 is your 16, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and then when we further solve it out, we will be getting as answer as your 5 8 4 6 3 8 1 2 5. That will be the right answer for this question here. Now we will end up here, and hopefully that you had learned something new here from this classes, and we will be going ahead with okay, this is something which is we had done wrong here. When we'll minus it out, we'll not get this. When we'll cancel it out, we'll get the answer, that is your 70,000. Sorry, that is your will get 70,000. So here in this that we had done approximately 93rd question, approximately 100. So you can go through with the playlist and you'll find each and every subject, each and every that is the topic we had done, and you can go through with that. You will learn many new things. In the reasoning term, we had discussed about the verbal reasoning, and where we had covered up that. You can go through with the playlist. You will find out playlist here while subscribing our channel. And we had started with non-verbal reasoning, and where we had covered up the series questions of more than 1,000 questions, and we will start in the classes that is your analogy. So you can go through with that as well. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box, because your suggestion and your appreciation is very important to us. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.